Reed is coming live from St. Petersburg weather station. As you can see, the tide is high right now, coinciding with the storm. You can take a look at the water level over here. This is the seawall. It's normally never that high. As you can see, the tide's going to start going out about now though. So this is the peak. It'll drop about 2.5 feet, minus whatever the surge, or hopefully the surge isn't too high, so it'll go back out. Low tide is, I think it's around like 7:40 tonight. So, alright, taking a lot of rain here. Lots of rain. Lots of streets are flooded. Be careful, don't drive through those waters. For all your weather needs, you call 480-555-6969. Take care.